What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you a full tutorial on how to bypass iCloud on any device with the new ByteBurst tool. This is a fully untethered iCloud bypass and it supports all CheckM8 cellular devices. So before we start the video guys, make sure to follow the developer on Twitter and support him. This is his official account as well as this account here. This is just a backup account. This developer is an amazing developer and has created several projects to bypass iCloud for free. So guys, make sure to follow him on Twitter. And also if you have any problem with the tool, just contact this developer and he will help you to solve any problem. The tool that we are going to use is an amazing tool, and this tool is ByteBurst. I'm going to show you step by step how to download, install, and bypass iCloud with this tool. Okay, let's jump ahead to the video. The first thing you're going to do is download the tool. Just go ahead and open the developer website. And as you see, this is the tool. This tool is designed for cellular devices. So if you have a Wi-Fi device, it's not supported right now. Also, the tool, guys, is working on macOS Catalina, Monterey, and Ventura. Go ahead and click download ByteBurst. You will be taken to the download page, and as you see, this is the tool. The tool supports macOS only. Now click on visit page to download the tool. Here you will find the tool and how to register your device, and the tool features as you see. Here you will find the tool features as you see. It's completely untethered iCloud bypass. You will be able to sign into iCloud, App Store, and use iMessage, FaceTime, notifications, and more. You should know that, guys, the signal is not working right now. It may work in future updates. Scroll down and you will find the supported devices here as you see. Make sure that you have one of these devices. Here below you will find how to register your device. It's pretty simple. Just click on register iOS device. You will be taken to this website. Registering a device costs only $5. This is only to support the developer. Here just type your Twitter account, and here below type your device serial number. So make sure, guys, to type your serial number so the developer can register your device. After that, go ahead and download the tool. I already downloaded the tool. Once the download is finished, go ahead and open the file. As you see, when you extract the file, you will get these files. Okay, now move the folder to the desktop. The first thing you're gonna do is move ByteBurst app to apps folder. Okay, the second thing you're gonna do here is move this folder to the desktop. Also, guys, make sure to open README file to find all the steps you need. Alright, move dependencies file to the desktop. It's important. Okay, after that, go ahead and open the terminal. In the terminal here, first type chmod space +x space. Now drag and drop dependencies file to the terminal. Hit enter. Okay, now type sudo space drag and drop dependencies file to the terminal again and hit enter. Type your MAC password and hit enter. This will install all the dependencies and missed libraries. Hit enter again. Now here, if you see some errors as you see, don't worry, this is completely normal. Now wait for the installation to complete. This will take about 3 to 10 minutes. Okay, I will speed up the video. And as you see, all done. Everything should be working now. If you see all done, this means you are ready for the next step. Go ahead and open the settings. Go to security and privacy. Go to privacy option here. Scroll down here and open full disk access. Click here to make changes. Type your Mac password and hit enter. Now here make sure to give ByteBurst tool full disk access. This is an important step. After adding the tool, make sure to enable it. Close the settings. Now go to readme file and copy this command. It's the number 4. Paste it in the terminal here and hit enter. Type your Mac password and hit enter again. Now the last step is to move this file to ByteBurst extras folder. In the terminal type sudo space. Now drag and drop fix permissions file to the terminal. Hit enter again and wait a few seconds. This command will fix all the permissions. And as you see, permissions fixed. Now you are ready to bypass iCloud. If you want, you can now remove this folder and dependencies file. Go ahead and open the tool. This is the tool. Here as you see, my iPhone is stuck on unable to activate, and now I will use ByteBurst to bypass it and bypass iCloud lock screen. Go ahead and connect your iOS device to your Mac. I'm gonna connect my iPhone 6s. Okay, my device is now connected. After connecting your device, click detect. Now wait a few seconds. Now click on validate registration. And as you see, my device is registered with this tool. If your device isn't registered, then go to the developer website and register your iOS device. It's very easy. Alright, here the tool is now generating activation tickets. The tool is now working on background. Don't disconnect your device, just keep waiting. And boom, as you see, activation files created and downloaded. The tool received activation tickets. Now click on create iOS 15, 16 ramdisk. Here select your iOS version. If you don't know what is your iOS version, just download and open Checkra1n. I will open Checkra1n. As you see here, my device is iPhone 6s and I'm on iOS 15.3.1. If your device version is between iOS 15 and iOS 15.4.1, just select iOS 15 ramdisk. I will select iOS 15. Okay, now put your device into DFU mode. I will use Checkra1n to put my device into DFU mode because it's really easy to put the device into DFU mode with Checkra1n. Click start. Next. Now just follow the instructions you see in Checkra1n to put your device into DFU mode. I will put my device in DFU mode. Okay guys, once the device is in DFU mode, immediately close Checkra1n. Now go back to ByteBurst tool and click validate DFU mode. And as you see, once you see this icon, just keep waiting and don't disconnect your device. Alright, as you see, your device is now ready to bypass the iCloud. Click on activate device. Okay, click on validate DFU mode. Now you should see a beautiful Apple logo and something beautiful like this in your iOS device. Just keep waiting until your device restarts. This may take about 1 to 2 minutes. And boom, as you see guys, unlock completed. Your device should reboot as you see. If everything goes well, your device should boot straight to the lock screen. And as you see, no more iCloud activation lock. I'm now on the lock screen. Okay, now I will restart my device to show you that this is a completely untethered iCloud bypass. And boom, as you see, directly to the lock screen. This tool is an amazing tool to bypass iCloud. The best thing is that you can sign into iCloud and App Store and download apps and games with no problems. Also, you can use FaceTime and iMessage. Alright, I will sign into iCloud. And as you see, I'm logged in now. Everything should work perfectly with no problem except for calls and cellular data. You will find the download link below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hope to see you in the next videos, and peace.